Today, I am gonna teach my sister how to bridge, and it'll be pretty cool, Like, that would be pretty cool, right? Right, guys, right? Yeah, that would be pretty cool. We're cool like that. Okay, guys, this is what I meant when I said that this. If my sister can do this, or sister can do my sister can do this, or
This.
this, you have to like and subscribe. That's the bit, bro. Or a spider will crawl to your under your bed. You want that? Yes, you don't want that. Just like and subscribe, bro. Not that hard. You just click of a button and you're done. Or slap it, or punch it, or you PvP with it or something. I don't know. Okay, let's start doing it. I'm gonna first start by putting my sister here. Mari tatawagin kita, bilis. Sister, come here.
Okay.
Okay, he's here now, so let's do this. Okay. So she's gonna do it now. You click this and just run. And yeah, just run after that. Go. No, you don't jump. You don't jump yet. You just sprint. You just run while you're holding it, okay?
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Ito lang.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Ito lang.
Tagalog, English.
This only it?
Yes, that's it.
Okay.
Okay, that's one more after that. I'm so sorry.
Okay.
Do it. Go.
One go.
Okay, try it again.
Sorry.
I'm so sorry. Okay, my sister is kinda dumb, guys. I'm so sorry. Yeah, 3.
Okay, let me try it again.
You can use
guys.
your this index finger to do that and one with this. Okay, 3. Oh, yeah. Oh, that. And now run after you click that. 3, 2, 1, kasi go! So, you run fast, not slow like a turtle, okay? 3, 2, 1, say go. Run and click at the same time. Go!
3, 2, 1, just go.
You do it fast, not slow. Like, don't do it like. Okay, my sister is laughing. I'm so sorry.
I'm sorry.
Like this, eh? Not like this. Not like that, but like this. Yeah. Okay, do it.
I got it, bro.
You can actually do it right now.
But I
Go.
don't know, I'm scared.
I said use your not your thumb, but your index finger. Go.
3, 2, 1, just go.
You are so stupid.
But you said like that. But it's not working. You're super dumb.
Okay, I'm so dumb
I'm
now,
Victoria.
guys. I'm so dumb now, guys. I'm so sorry.
Because it's me.
Okay, let's keep teaching him.
You're.
Her. Go. This, like that. And 3, 2, 1. Did it show? Did it show?
What are you saying? W English.
Go fast.
I'm like a turtle.
You are so dumb. You do it like this, ne? You do it like this. Look at me. You do it like this. What? You work on me. like this. You just go like that, okay?
Okay, I got it now. But don't.
I said use this. I like that. Go.
Okay.
Run at the same time. Run at the same time. Let's go! You finally did it. Let's go. We did it.
Yay! I've been Saria.
Guys, you really think that counts? I do think that counts also. Maybe I'm just dumb or anything like that, but I did that count. You can put it in the comments. My sister just cannot stop laughing. So weird. Sorry guys about that. Bye. See you in the next video. Bye.